Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! This is my toy dinosaur. Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Press. Chest. Roar. Bring. Conversation. This is my toy dinosaur.
Wow, that's a nice toy.
It can make sounds.
How?
I will press its chest. See, it opens its mouth and roars.
Cool.
Do you have a toy dinosaur?
Yes, I have 4 of them.
Do you want to play with them together?
Okay, I will bring mine tomorrow.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. This is my toy dinosaur.
Wow, that's a nice toy.
It can make sounds.
How?
I will press its chest. See, it opens its mouth and roars.
Cool.
Do you have a toy dinosaur?
Yes, I have 4 of them.
Do you want to play with them together?
Okay, I will bring mine tomorrow.
Word quiz. Bring. Chest. Press. Conversation quiz. What did Lily say? This is my toy dinosaur.
Wow, that's a nice toy. Yes, I have 4 of them.
What did Lily say? See, it opens its mouth and roars.
Cool. How?
What did Lily say? Do you want to play with them together?
Yes, I have 4 of them. Okay, I will bring mine tomorrow.
You did it! You were superstar! Yay! Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.